Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Nathaniel King and your host for this session. I have over 25 years of experience in working with computer software and over 7 years of experience working with cloud and AI. In this session, we will explore Azure Integration core principles, specifically observability. Right. So, um, in terms of observability, means having the ability to understand what's happening inside our system. Uh, even 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 when things go wrong, without guessing, we need to know we have clear understanding what's going on our Azure systems. So in traditional monitoring, you might just know that something failed, and I have seen this traditional even in the cloud as well. People do not really think carefully about how to observe, what's happening. So but with the observability, you can know why it failed, where it failed, and how it affected the overall process. So observability comes from three core signals, which basically we have logs, means detailed record of what happened. Then we have matrices, numerical measurement of performance and health of the system. Then we have traces, and trace is very important. I mean, it gives the whole journey of the request. The and specifically for in trace, this is where correlation ID and trace parent address come in. They let you connect one transaction for example, from API to logic app to service bus and function and downstream APIs. So you can trace exactly where things went wrong. And together, these three pillars give you end-to-end visibility in Azure integration. Observability means you can open application insights or log analytics and instantly see where the failure occurred and how long each component took, which system caused the slowdown, and whether retries, DLQs, or fallbacks executed properly. So basically, it helps us to make system more reliable if we have all those things and we can trust, then we know and we can find out where the problems are. Now, why is it important and when it must be done? So, you know, it is important because it helps to detect issues before user do. It helps us to diagnose failures quickly and accurately, and it helps us to measure performance of our systems, and we can look at our SLAs. It helps us to build trust in integration across teams. So this is very very important that we build trust, uh, you know, across the teams. So I have seen many times that after implementation we think about how to think about observability rather than when we actually implement it. So now that raise the second point, when to implement. I think it should start during design. We should not sit back and think about, okay, once we have implemented all positive flows, and then we think about, okay, if something goes wrong, what should we do? We need to integrate telemetry in every component we build, and we need to continuously monitor and refine after deployment. So we need to have all these things done during the design, and it all must be documented in every case. All right. So